Hi guys, I am making this video to show what I was eating when growing up. So it was basically all vegetable and fish. So I hope you enjoy my video, and if you feel like you want to make Filipino food, you can buy it everywhere all over United States. So you don't need to like, oh, I feel so homesick because I want to eat the Filipino food. That's why I'm showing the video, because I was like, oh, I want to eat that food, the vegetable that I used to eat growing up. Enjoy the video, and I'm just finished eating, and we're going to gym today. Bye. Thank you for watching. Hi everybody, good morning. I'm gonna show how I'm going to make my Filipino food. So I have whole fish head. You can buy this at Filipino store. I have the squash. I don't need to buy the whole thing of squash, so I just pick half, but they put cover on it, so I already opened it. And I have the pichay. Bok choy. This is delicious. And I have the string beans, bao, and talong, so eggplant. I think I just need one talong. And then I have the luya, so ginger. And I have the lemongrass from my backyard. See? Because I'm gonna make sinabawan. If I'm gonna fry the fish first, I'm gonna fry it outside. And then after I fry, I'm gonna mix soup, boiled vegetable, and I'm gonna put the fried fish to have it taste mixed with vegetable. So let's go and fry the fish outside. Okay, before I will start frying, I already prepared my lemongrass. In a kettle or in a pan, how you gonna call this? I'm gonna put this in there. I put water already. Water to make it boil early, and I have cubes added. So the taste of I'm gonna get all the benefits of the lemongrass. And now I'm gonna boil well while I'm going outside to fry the fish. Hi guys, I'm now outside the house, so I can fry this one because I can't, my husband, I don't want him to be uncomfortable with my food, so I cook it outside for the smell. I don't want him to like, what is that smell? It smells really different. But he helped me. He brought me this 25 feet extension cord, and I have a skillet, electric skillet. So see, bought for me. It is so, until here. So it's so nice because you just roll it up after you use them. Right there, there's my extension cord. It's easier compared to others. So let's turn on the skillet to heat up the cooking oil, so we can start frying. I already put the cooking oil, guys, so everything's gonna be ready soon. Oops. I mean, everything is here. You just need a skillet, electric skillet. I think all the skillet are electric, so you can fry your fish outside your house, or dried fish even. And any extension wire, of course. But my husband, we got a lot of extension wires, but it's not like this. He bought me because this, you just roll it out and it goes easy. He been watching me for 6 years using extension wires. I have no problem with that. I'm grateful for everything, but he always thinking of me, so he bought this one. What is easier for me? Because my husband always thinking of what's easier for me, guys. And also he respect my culture that I like fish head, but I'm gonna remove all the bones and use all the meat. I use all the meat to put in a boiling water and add all my vegetable. So that's a Filipino style, guys, of cooking. Some other they don't understand. But marrying to a different culture is also learning and adjusting to each other's differences. So it doesn't matter what culture you came from. If you love each other, you are willing to adjust and compromise and help each other. So that's he bought me this extension wire so I can be easily cook in here. And see you on the next step.